Grammar practice using there, and there. Number 1, watch and listen. Number 2, practice. Number 3, learn. Let's get started. Which sentence is correct? A. Their family came to the USA from Brazil. B. Their family came to the USA from Brazil. C. Their family came to the USA from Brazil. Type your answer in the comment section below and I'll type in a response for you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like this video, share this video link with friends and family, and click on the L to subscribe to this channel. Check me out on Instagram at learnenglishwith_mm. Also, check out my other 10 YouTube videos at Learn English with MM. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.